Hello everyone. Hello mga ka-overseas teachers. So now I am going to teach you how to connect to the VPN. So before that, what is a VPN stands for? So when we say VPN, it is a virtual private network. It is a service that protects your internet connection and privacy online because it creates an encrypted tunnel for your data, protects your online identity by hiding your IP address, and allows you to use public Wi-Fi hotspots safely. So that is all about the VPN. So usually, it is used if you cannot connect to a certain website because there are instances that you have the website but you cannot connect to that particular website. So in that case, you are going to use the VPN. So VPN has so many uh, types. So you can have to you have the free VPN, and there are VPN that needs to pay for you. So with this, I think it is better if you use the free VPN because you will not pay for it. Okay, so how to do it? So now I will show you how to connect or how to find a free VPN. Okay, guys, so all you have to do is to go to the Google and search for the free VPN. But in my case, I will just show you what I am using. So we have here the Proton VPN. So this is a free VPN. You will not pay for it. Okay, so you have to go to the Google and search the Proton VPN. So this one, Proton VPN, you have to download it first in your computer. So download it, search for it first, and then you have to look for a Proton VPN free download. Okay, so now here, free VPN download for your device. So this one, you have to click it. Okay, so once you click it, you can see there download Proton VPN. So I recommend it because it is free, and I also experience using the Proton VPN, and it is really good. Okay, so download it, Proton VPN, and then after downloading, you have to install it in your computer. So you after you download, install it, just follow the instruction for installing. Just click yes, yes, proceed, just like that. And then after you install it, you can see there in your desktop the Proton VPN. So this is the Proton VPN. Okay, so after that, after you installing it in your laptop or computer, you have to click it. Okay, so you can click it, and then yeah, that's it. Proton VPN, secure internet anywhere. So here it is. Okay, so let us wait for a while. Okay, it is processing. Yeah, that's it. So there you can see that it is disconnected. So you are going to connect it now so you can search for that particular website. Okay, so we have here you are not protected, and if you want to connect it, you have to choose here from the location that you really want. So you can use the Japan, Netherlands, United States. So this is a free locations that you can connect to the VPN. So since mostly I use the United States, so I need to connect here. Connect. Okay, so click it, and then you have to wait for a usable network. There, connecting to United States, it is US free. Assigning IP. There, connected. So we are now connected to a VPN. So now, since you are connected to the VPN, you can now use the website that you are using, because there are times that you cannot uh, connect to the website, so you have to use the VPN. So let's say, for example, because usually there are times that you cannot connect to the Gemalto. So this is actually a website. So there, this site can't be reached. So all you need to do is to connect to the VPN. So I think I am already connected. What happened to this? Where is my VPN now? Connected. I am already connected. There. So let us see if we can access the Gemalto website. What happened? Okay, it is the processing. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So now we can now connect to the Gemalto website. So that is really very important. So there you can see in the bottom of your computer if you are connected to a VPN. So you can see this logo, or yeah, your internet. Okay, guys, so that's all about the VPN. I hope that you learn a lot from it. So please subscribe to my channel, and like, comment, and share it to your friends so that they also know how to connect to the VPN. So you can use the VPN if you cannot access a particular website. Okay, guys? So that's it, and thank you for watching.